Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your REALME C63 heating while charging. So first, when you use fast charging, it's normal that your device will heat. So it's normal, you don't have to worry about that if you're using fast charging. If you're not using fast charging, then what you guys can do is check for background apps that can cause heat or high power consumption. So go to apps first. Now here we need to scroll down to the battery, and now go over to the power intensive apps. As you guys can see, I got none, but here you will see a high power consumption apps on your device, and you'll be able to either force stop them or change the optimizations for them. So make sure to use the original charger and a cable. If that's a problem, then use something that has less watts, so don't use fast charging, and avoid your phone while charging. So for example, gaming, watching YouTube, TikToks, and much more. Now, what else can you guys do? Basically, you can remove the case, because as you guys can see, the heat will be trapped under the case. So let me just take it. Now take your case away, and here you will guys see the phone without a case. Now it will improve heat dissipation, so it's worth taking the case off. And make sure to charge the phone in a cool and ventilated area. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.